Good morning everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. I hope you're all doing very well as always. And we've got a very nice drop yesterday here. So no wave 4, wave 5 here. We just got a nice continuation from the wave 4. No bounce, nothing good for a long big continuation. So we take simply the big ABC flat with plan if we have to break and go more down really. So yeah, you know, we've got this very nice short trade plan. Okay, so short it here, possible long, possible short, possible long, as always. It depends on the direction really. We have a line of time on the order flow, so this is not the order flow, but this is an order flow. So by reading this, you're able to make decisions really if you have or not to take the trades. So here good data for a short, here not good data for a long, and so we just got a massive continuation here, and we've got this very nice short trade. So that's pretty cool. And so if we had to continue and do not bounce for the wave 4, as I said, we take a nice impulsive down, so 5 waves. Okay, so we're going to update everything here. First of all, the levels. Let's go here on a daily time frame. We do have a daily on the top now, so we can take this one here, duplicate this, and place it on the top. Perfect. Now we can come back here and we can go on Excel charts. So here, and by the way, all this template, I mean this workspace really is available on the website. You have to go in the course section, resource, and you will be able to download this. So one naked session path on the top, so 45,070. Where are the levels here? Let's take this one. Perfect. So 45,070. Yes. 42,250. Some few fingerprints you can be aware of above. What do we have otherwise here? No TPO. Be aware of fingerprints here, by the way. I will be more aware of these ones than the ones here. Yeah, these two fingerprints above. Okay, so we can if we can look, for example, here for a possible. Don't know if you can see the counts here. Normally, yes. We have, you know, the top here. We can look for a possible swing if we have this top. If we have to go above, for example, because we do have this fingerprint bottom close by that can act as resistance. Something to be aware of. And we do have one daily naked point of control. So here it is. If I can place that, 42,438. All right. Let's pull some few volume here. Okay, nothing crazy. Here, what do we have? Already got a bounce from here. I do prefer the naked session path control here if you have to come that down. It depends, because you have all the lows here that we can just take, do a quick swing Philip pan here, and otherwise if we have to spend some more time, we can look for the naked session and path control before to reclaim. If we have, of course, to go more down, just in case we have to go more down. Now, if we just go through, get nothing, go through, get nothing, then there is no reason to long this. Yeah, the daily with the low. Yeah, we already did took the low. So the daily here. Okay, so yeah, I mean, all this zone really, to be honest with you, is something to be aware of. But if you really want to be more accurate, this daily naked path control will be more for the lows here to be taken. So either swing Philip pan, okay, or fail option, spend some more time and then reclaim. if we have to go and really spend some more time, I would say more on the naked session path control, and otherwise we can look for the daily. That would like a reclaim of this daily naked path control, the naked session path control too long. And if we have to break this, we can simply look for the low right here with a weekly level. If we start breaking this weekly level plus a low, what I will be aware of is very simple. I will be aware of the Coinbase swing failure pattern. Why? Because if you pay attention here, we did took this low here, okay, on the Bybit price. Okay, we do have a small wick below, as you can see here, nothing big, but we do have a small wick below this previous low here. Okay, so we did took that low. If you go on Coinbase, you can see that we do not even take this bottom right here. So that's why if you come down here, we can just, for example, if we manage to go that down, we can just, for example, swing failure pan the Coinbase low, reclaim, and so to speak, stop before and do not swing failure pan the Bybit low. Here we can stop, for example, before. You can do this, maybe a quick wick down, swing failure pan Coinbase, reclaim, and come back up. And so here you can take the long trade either here, depending how aggressive you are. But this is something I will be aware of. Okay, the difference between Coinbase and Bybit, the wick here, we can swing failure pan Coinbase and not Bybit. It's absolutely possible. This already happened in the past. So yeah, this is something in my opinion to be aware of. I'm just gonna delete this. Perfect. Now, if we start losing the lows really with no swing failure pan fail auction, okay, so that bottom right here is nothing good for a long. Be aware of that we do have some support close by here. You can see we have this naked session path control plus the daily naked path control and the TPO here, so we do have some support close by. That's why we have to look. It's a must here to look for a swing failure pan or a fail auction. Okay, once we take the low. But yeah, there is no reaction here. What we can look for, it's very simple. We can simply look for the lower levels with plans. So first of all, we have this nice key level below us, okay? So around 39,000 by the way. With, so the bottoms right here, we can swing failure pan, and the bottoms just below here, these small consolidations. If there is nothing in here, we're simply going to look for the weekly negative path control. Here's the yellow level, down to the monthly negative path control, the purple level, yeah, with this value high level of this fixed range from the very beginning of the consolidation to the end of the consolidation. Okay, so this is an example of support really. If we have to lose this first key level, so lose this, look for between 37,700 down to this swing failure pan right here of that low around 36,700. If we start breaking this value high, remember that yes, we do have some support in between. Okay, we have, for example, this if we start, you know, breaking that low here with a value high, we do have this support here with a daily a bit before here. We do have some support here on the lower time frame, yes, but the thing is, on a bigger time frame, if normally we break below here this value high, we'll have more chance to go minimum for the path control and the value low. Okay, so lows of value are high. Yes, we do have some support in between. We can, for example, I don't know, maybe fake the down, we go below, fake the down, we manage to reclaim, flip to support, and bam, come back up. In that case, there will be a fake out really of the break to the downside, if we can call it like this. And yeah, but we can recognize down the order flow. But normally, if we have to break this value high, we have more chance to go for the path on trend, the value low. So value low here, we can do a massive wick down to just take all the stop loss below and reclaim there. Okay, it's a zone really to be aware of. Path control value low, we can go and take some few stop loss. So if we go below, take some stop loss, but we get nothing too long here, no data to reclaim, and we do not just even reclaim here, then there's just no reason to long, and so we're simply going to look for a nice drop into 30,700. So this is the first one of support really. If we really have to get acceptance below the lows of this, you can call that consolidation, to be fair. That was really slow. But first support really, if we have to break the lows, we can look for 30,600. The next we have 29,900 down to 29,200. And if we start breaking this, we can look for this bigger and stronger support, by the way, with this value high level and weekly negative path control with the bottom right of this consolidation. Not gonna go too low, it's not really useful for the moment. And so yeah, if we have to go above here, we can look. So if we really have to reclaim, by the way, I have not covered this on the lower time frame, my bad. So first of all, here on the lower time frame, if I have to short something, well, that will be a bit too late now, but well, the first 30, if we really start from the current price action, I will just wait for a new high to be made, really, because otherwise, I mean, I'll just enjoy the short from higher, really. Okay, Now, yeah, if we take the highs, if we manage to push the high and go and take the highs here, we can look for a possible swing for the power FL auction, simply because there is this single print just above. Okay, we have the top here, we have the single print just close by the bottom right here, so I will be aware of this possible short setup. Now, if we just get acceptance into the single print, as always, the single print is going to be filled, and so we're going to go to the top of it minimum. If there is no reaction here, we look for the next one. Bottom, no reaction. Okay, we fill it. Top of it, no reaction. Continuation. Okay, so just be aware of the single prints, really. Okay, this will match with the levels 44, 410, 44, 310. So we have, yeah, the top right here of the single print will be yeah, no real big difference. The top of the single print here, okay, the big single print is a key level here, so that's pretty cool. And next one, daily level 45015. Yeah, the top of the single print is also these levels, so we just don't have the bottom of the single prints, but yeah, it will be something like this, you know. But anyway, so yeah, you can use the levels of the single prints, really, it's really up to you. Personally, I'm gonna be aware of both. Okay, I'm gonna be aware of both. Gonna set another here. Bam. When we take the lows here, so I know what we are doing. But yeah, so here, first of all, so first single print here, we'll have the single print tower around the key level, reclaim this daily level plus a naked session path control. These two levels are at the top of the second single print we have here. Okay, and if we start to reclaim this, we can simply look for a more likely, I would say, a new high to be made. Okay, we still have the monthly level plus a swing fluid power of that top. It is something possible, but I would say we have more chance to go and make a new high really on this. Okay, so yeah, if we make one more new high, what we can look for is very simple. We take the high, so we have to look for a swing fluid pan or a fail auction, as always. Very important, all the time you take a high, you take a bottom, swing fluid pan, fail auction. If there is none, we can simply look for the next target, that is a weekly level plus the path control level up to the swing fluid pan of this top right there. Okay, so to speak, we have 46,800 up to 47,200 for the path control, and the swing fluid pan at the top right here, so around 47,500. If we start to reclaim this, we're simply going to look for a new high to be made and break this consolidation top right here. We can look for the monthly naked path control in that case. Okay, so swing fluid pan, fail auction, possibly into the monthly naked path control. And if we start reclaiming this, you can see that there are no real resistance here. This was a quick move down, so we can look for a quick move up, and so go into the weekly level here minimum. Nothing of the weekly level. We can look for the swing fluid pan of the top right here, into possibly with a massive wick into the value high level of around 53,600. Okay, so these are the targets really above and below, the biggest one, so you can really get some good trades. Again, don't forget that these are some support and resistance. It can be brought weak. We can break this resistance or this support. We can absolutely go above, flip to support, and get a continuation. It's absolutely possible. It's not because these are some resistance that we are going to get some drop from here and some short trade. That's why you have to use an order flow on this to determine or not if you have or not to take the trades. Okay. But anyway, so now we are good with the level, so we can move on the waves. On the waves, it's very simple. I'm just taking what we've planned yesterday. If we have to drop and get no wave 4 and 5, you know, as I said, if we get a drop here, you know, don't get a bounce from here and get a wave 5, so to speak. We don't get the wave 4 and the wave 5 retracement of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have a 1, 2, 3 only. There is no wave 4 and 5, and so 1, 2, 3 is an A, B, C, and so it's a correction to go more down. And so in that case, it will bring us with this nice A, B, C flat. This is what we've planned, you know, yesterday with a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and the ABC right here. Okay, so I'm taking this ABC flat, really real respected target. By the way, if you place the retracement like this, you can see we're exactly into the more likely target, 123, 27, so that's pretty cool. And so from here, we just need to count some 5 waves. So for the moment, we have a triple wave to the downside. As you can see here, we'll have a 1, 2, 3. By the way, something for people that are learning waves, just don't forget to not learn only the theory, practice and so also, sorry, on the chart, because you're going to learn that the wave 3 cannot be the shortest, right? In impulsive, I have not noticed this, but in leadings and endings, for now, the wave 3 can be the shortest. Okay, these days, the markets evolve really, and we have to adapt to the market. Okay, this is extremely important to do. So the top is here, but I'm gonna place it like that. because yeah, you cannot just stay on some rules if you see that it's not working anymore, right? This is a leading, we'll have a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. What we can see here is that we'll have a big drop next, so it's either a wave A, B, C, and so in that case these are 5 waves, either a wave 1, 2, bam, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are 5 waves. And also if you place now your, I mean, some tools here to see the time we have in here. Okay, you can see that we have 2 hours and 40 minutes. You can see it here, 2 hours and 40 minutes for the wave 1. If you place this for the wave 3, we have 1 hour and 10 minutes. If you place this for the wave 5, we have 4 hours and 10 minutes. So the wave 3 is the shortest in terms of time. That was not possible before, but as you can see now, we have again one more time the proof in front of us that it can be possible these days. I don't know about the impulsive, but the leadings and endings, now this is possible. So it adds it's adding even more complexity to the market, because before it was not possible, now it is. So now if we do, for example, just to give you an example here, before this could be classed as, for example, we just got acceptance with this wave, that we will not take this as 5 waves, and we'll say, okay, this is a double EXY because the wave 3 cannot be the shortest. This is the only possibility. Now the premise these days, we cannot think like this anymore, because we have these possible 5 ways with the wave 3 as the shortest. That's why it's a bit more complex today, but yeah, we just have to accept it, right, and trade with it. Otherwise we just cannot trade. But anyway, just wanted to talk about this really quick. And if you can move this back on the right, that will be cool. Perfect. So yeah, in that case, 5 ways more likely. That's what I'm taking mainly, to be honest with you. We went really high, I'm not going to lie, but we still don't have any invalidations, as you can see here. We do not break the wave to top right there. Okay, we have the wave 2 top, so wave 1, 2, wave 3, lowest reach on the RSI, wave 4, that cannot break the wave 2 top right here, sorry, and then we have the wave 5 that should go normally. Again, we can do a truncated here, but because we have a massive wick, but we should go below, then reclaim, and so here we should stop before the previous low, before to reclaim, and make these diversions. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at mainly at the moment. We have done a 50% on the wave 2. Now we have done a 50%, even more than this on the wave 4. We have done almost this 6.86%. It's not hit, but we went really close, to be fair. So yeah, I'll be a bit careful with these waves. Not sure I'm gonna take a short on this, to be honest with you. I don't know. I will see this depending on the data, but now we have so many longs again, so many shorts, sorry, again. And so this happened yesterday, and we just got a massive reversal. And a quick move up here. We've got a massive amount of shorts there, and we've got a bam, quick move up to take all these shorts money. And here again, look at this. We have like 16 millions of this is just absolutely crazy. 16 million here of new shorts opening here. This is just absolutely crazy. So otherwise to short that, I'm a bit careful, to be honest. Trying to short here due to this. Yeah, so I'm taking this for the moment, okay, until we get an invalidation. If we start getting an invalidation of these 5 ways with a wave 4 that is just, for example, breaking the wave 1 bottom here, or that start to break the wave 2 top here, don't forget to switch between the different time frames, the 1 hour, the 2 hours, all of this, really, to make sure we have an invalidation on most of the time frames. So if we have an invalidation, well, it's very simple. I'm just gonna remove this impulsive down. I'm gonna look for an ABC zigzag here, and so if you have an ABC zigzag and we're in a C wave, what can this be? It can be simply an ending start. Okay, so in that case we can look for a possible wave 1, like this, pink. Let's take this wave to retracement, wave 3, 4, 5, you know, wedge really to the downside into the wave, into the C wave here. Okay, to finish this 1, 2, 3, or 5. So yeah, we'll see which one plays out really. And now if we just get nothing, I mean, again, the thing is, I'm planning these waves. If I don't see any reason to short any of my targets there above, I am not going to take a short trade. I'm just going to accept that we have done a C wave, a what the fuck one really, and just move on, and we just look for the next target really, and for the next trade, right? So if we just take the highs, then I don't have the answer for this move down, to be fair. Okay, if we just, for example, do this, we just make this, and we just get a rise now for the wave 5, get this, take the highs. Well, I don't know what I've done here in the wave in the C, and I'm just accepting this, and I just move on and look for higher, right? And look for the next trade. We'll still, if we take the highs, I'm still going to think a bit about what happened there, because I was thinking about, you know, yesterday a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I don't like it. So yeah, anyway, I'll have to to think about it a bit on my side if I have to take the highs, but for the moment looking for the impulsive with the ending down. Not gonna make it more complex. If we do take the highs, and we look for the wave 5, and that's it really. Okay, so this wave 5 here. So yeah, hope that makes sense. Nothing more to add on Bitcoin, to be honest with you right now. Ruan did a really nice drop into the wave 2, you know, I was looking at here. So the wave 2 right there, I was looking for this wave 1, for this wave 2. A really cool drop in here, went exactly into, you know, one of the target was looking for. Was looking first of all if I had to go more down after the short trade. By the way, place it just one of that here, because this was a target I was looking for a short. And yeah, we've got a what? I don't know, it was a 23% yesterday here, and so now we have a we've got a 45 almost % drop, just pretty crazy. And so we went into the first target here with a swing Philly pan. Second target was a 50% with this single print here, and so we ended up with this first target with a swing Philly pan here. So that's pretty cool. A really nice. Next target can be of course a retest of this or a retest of the single print. If we start getting acceptance below, we can look for the next target with pan. Really nothing more complex. Targets by targets really. Okay, this, and we've got also dot that have done a really cool retracement too. You can see here we do have some possible 5 ways. Again, it's not 100% sure. Why? Because this can be an ABC flat here, we can be in an A B C, and so we have the 5 ways here, so it can be simply an ABC flat, and so a correction to go more down. So I will trap a lot of people, for example here. You can see we bounce off the 113 as a stock market retracement, but it's still okay for the crypto market. We can still do this, it's not impossible, and so we can get such ABC flat like this. Let's pull some big waves like that. And so here, just gonna double check and confirm what I'm saying right now, but normally it can be this. Yeah, look at this. Correction, we went exactly into the 1618 and get a massive drop. So the 5 ways we are having here, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, can be simply a correction, okay, A B C to go more down. So that's why it's very complex. We can be in a wave 1 2 A B C or 1 2 3 or 5, okay, to the upside here, as it can be simply a 5 ways for an ending into a C wave of an ABC flat. And so here it's a correction of another move. For example, here, I don't know, let's take a 5 ways down. So 5 waves, correction, 5 waves, and then we reclaim. Okay, so ABC zigzag, we have an ABC flat into the B wave, and then we're going to drop, make a new low. Finally, you know, go for the swing Philly pan there. Oh yeah, we cannot see this on Coinbase, but we do have a swing Philly pan where we can get this. Perfect. We do have a swing Philly pan here. Okay, two that we missed by some few dollars. Nothing crazy big, but yeah. So yeah, I will be aware of this on dot, to be honest with you. Okay, I will be aware of this bearish pan too. Don't be only bullish. Very important. I'm gonna pause this, I think, on the Discord server, just so you're everyone is aware of this. And yeah, Bitcoin personally, I sold everything here. We got a nice drop too on this one. It was too slow, and yeah, we've got a nice rejection of the first target. Bitcoin was not moving so much higher, so personally I did sold everything on the rise, I think. Can't remember exactly, but anyway, that's pretty cool. Got a nice drop, and have not checked the waves on this, so I don't know which one we need to take at the moment. But anyway, in OP I have done also crazy push up here. They're really nice, you know, the leading was looking for before here for a wave. So it's either now for an impulsive or for an ABC. It depends. It can be, you know, a longer while it was a bigger ABC with a wave 1 2 3 4 5, and so here an A B C, and so we finish the while leg later. Okay, but anyway, this will need some few updates. So yeah, I don't know if you have some questions on Bitcoin. Let me know if you have some questions. Otherwise, we're good. And by the way, if you pay attention in the streams I have done before, I shared, you know, these targets of the MC strategy, and this was the bottom. That's pretty cool. It's getting really well respected, not gonna lie. That's pretty nice. This was the exact low here. Can't remember which daily update I've shared this. I think it was one on Friday before I go, you know, for Christmas and everything. Yeah, I think it was in this stream. Normally. But anyway, I'm just gonna wait a bit to see if there are some questions coming in, and otherwise we're good. Thinking about the question I've got yesterday here about the ads. I wanted to add something, but I can't remember what I wanted to say. No, by the way, I think I added this into the... Yeah, no, it's good already. Yeah. Do have some QTAs in here. I already saw that. Alright, nice. So I don't see any questions right now, so I think we're good. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you're enjoying these updates. Hope these updates are really useful for you in your trading, your day trading, really, your trading plan. Yeah, hope this helped really. So have a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all tomorrow. By the way, we don't have news today normally. No, it's tomorrow. So yeah, catch you all tomorrow for the next one. Cheers.